Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today I will try to help you how you can change your settings on Keenetic DSL N300 modem. This modem have two antennas and you can control your antennas however you want. It's very fast modem, you have to know that. And also this modem have 4 Ethernet ports and on-off buttons and reset buttons. Keenetic DSL N300 modem settings can be changed in two ways. Either way is that you can change your settings with app. You have to install app from your iOS phone or your Android phone. It doesn't matter. First of all, you have to download this app to your phone. After you download this app to your phone, you have to open this app, and after you open this app you will get a page like this. This is app page. It's like that, like I told you. There is a QR code under your modem. First you have to read from this app to your QR code. After they read each other and connect from your modem to your phone on this app, that's all you have to do and your modem will start to work. You can change, of course, settings from your this app, and also you can change your app settings from your computer. If you want to change your settings from your computer, you have to download this app to your computer. After you download this app to your computer, you can change your settings from your computer and connect to your modem. Also, you can control your modem from anywhere. If you have different questions or if you cannot change your settings about this modem, or if you have different modem and if you cannot change your settings or cannot connect, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this call center, they will help you about your modem, or if you have different problems or different questions, all you have to do to call this number I told you, 11858 call center. If you call them, they will help you about your problems. Thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to like it. Have a good day. Bye.